Welcome everyone to the Deckwood's Deckhouse live podcast where today we have 6 other guests.
And I'm the other host here, so I'm not the only. She's not the only one.
Okay. Everyone is familiar with defense mechanisms, right?
Yes.
Okay, before we talk about that, let us introduce ourselves.
Okay. I'm James Emiliano Caballero.
My name is Sergio Salisha Gaya.
And I am Marcon Black.
I'm Charmal El Salvador. And I'm Shader Pong.
Emiliano Regimo.
And we are your hosts. I'm Kit Quintana.
And I'm Marian Ovaldoria.
Okay, so defense mechanisms are like a way of coping, right?
Yes.
Does anyone want to explain further what defense mechanism is? I think it's literally in the name. Defense mechanism. Like for example, give an example of defense mechanism.
It's like blaming someone on what you're capable of doing.
Or let's just make it short since from what the host said, and I'm the host also, so I wanna answer too. Okay, so from the word itself, defense mechanism, defense, like you're defending yourself.
From like emotions you don't want to feel like uncomfortable. But today we are here to talk about
Projection.
wow.
Okay, so I'll be asking you a few questions now. So, sana kaya niyo masagot. I mean, one of you might know what it means projection. So, our first question is, what do you know about the defense mechanism projection? Anyone? Silent treatment.
Why is nobody answer?
Anyone.
So projection basically, of course, sa negative trait na ginawa mo, and then you accuse that person of that negative trait. So,
Wow.
Yeah.
So projection, how does it differ from other defense mechanisms?
Like for example, rationalization. A lot of people are getting mixed up with that. So what's the difference?
It's like the projection is like you're not giving any intentions on giving that
You don't have any intention to actually project.
yeah. And then if you're doing like rationalization, you have like intentions on doing that.
Okay. So let's put it in a psychological. So how does projection affect your personal relationship? Or kung may situations kayo na alam about the projection?
It could be family, friends,
Anyone?
Why do you have? Do you have something?
yes, it happened like a decade ago. It was when my older brother, destroyed my little sister's toy. And yeah. Ayan!
Okay.
About me, it's about my auntie. Always thinking about myself and always my acting because she was just mad about her study. And I feel bad about it and I can't do anything about it. And so
So do you think the defense mechanism of projection is good or bad?
But
Mostly
not
bad.
Very
bad.
Why is it?
Kasi ano din talaga sa'yo eh. Kung i-blame mo yung ibang tao, like ikaw na kasalanan kasi papasok mo sa tao. Hindi iba mali yung sarili. Ganun bro.
So like,
Lex, imagine two people having projection.
back and forth.
that's crazy. That's crazy.
Okay. Next question. Do you think projection can help in communication?
No, it's gonna ruin.
Significant. Kasi din argument too.
In a way, it's like the opposite of communication. It's lying. Like, no, not lying. Like,
Accusing.
accusing. Yeah.
You can use it in being a
It's not helpful for communication.
Okay. In a situation natin, like, what would you do if you witness someone is doing or does the defense mechanism of projection?
If they did it outdoor,
Yeah.
So, what are you gonna do?
recall the situation, how it happened, and then try to understand why did he do that to you or something.
Okay. So, since that's all the questions, I have one last question. So, 5 to 10 minutes.
How many minutes is
Just
it?
edit something.
So, where we gonna talk about this anyway? How my projection appear in a classroom or work setting? Since all of us are still students, so
Projection.
in a
Yes.
Yeah.
In class.
I
It
received
occurs
a
about sa mga teacher or sometimes sa mga klase mo. Sometimes kasi pinandun sa ako time.
Louder.
Later.
okay, wala.
Okay.
Okay, okay, may sasabihin ka?
Nakatanggap ako ng low grade and yung katabi ko, titawanan ko kasi mababa din. Yes, sa akin naman, sa groupings. So most likely, sila, bigay sila sa akin ng task. Pero ako, pag may suggestion ako sa kanila, parang nag-guide sila. Parang salamat na lang. Parang gano'n.
Parang mental health mo something. I mean, defense mechanism naman is smart movement. Well, so, anything to say, Mrs. Hoxie?
Anyway, some of the teachers could be having projection. Like, for example, when they were a student, when they see like for example, someone fixing their sleeves. I mean, no. Like, for example, they try to cheat. They would like fix their sleeves and then put like writings here. So when they are a teacher now, and then when they see someone doing like this, you're cheating. And then,
Kaya the group.
yeah.
Ano something? You know guys, about abusing parents, abusing parents. Yung mga
Yeah.
child ng abusive parents, projection na sa mga kanilang mga classmates. Mga kanilang anak. Kasi, ganun na yung nangyari sa mga tama.
Like,
Abusive parents.
like they get from
Yes.
from their traumatic experience,
parents,
from their past.
Like, for example, a parent fails to become a doctor, so they want their child to become a doctor. So, you're going to fail if you're not going to review. When in their childhood, they didn't really weren't able to become a doctor.
Yes.
Any more questions?
I have another question. Did you watch the Outside? It's a psychology something zombie horror thing.
Psychology. Oh, is it a Korean?
No, it's not Korean. It's Filipino made.
Oh, I haven't
Actually, this guy is nagano sila sa abusive parents. Now, yung nagkaroon ng zombie, di ba? Tapos pumunta sila sa kanilang parents' old house. And then, naging zombie yung mga parents niya. Ayun. Yung kanyang family niya, dinala niya doon na hindi na alam kung ano nangyari. Ayun, nagkaroon ng psychology something at yung lalaking, yung father actually, his father, yung parents niya is kind of abusive and the projection niya sa family. Yung abusive father din siya.
What's the title of the movie?
Outside.
Outside.
It's the Netflix.
That's because I don't understand.
I'm sorry. No,
It's a movie.
she knows.
Dati sinabi ko na last question, no? May isa pa question pala ako dito. What are some signs that you might be projecting your emotions onto someone else? Anger. And
I mean, there are different kinds of projection, like envy, security, anger, what else?
Sudden change of emotions.
What?
Sudden change of emotions.
sudden change of
Like
No, I mean different types of projections.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah,
just
that's exactly, yeah.
It's mostly related to mental health projection. Okay, actually this one the last question.
Last
So-
question still have.
I actually don't know. Why is it important to address someone who has projection in therapy? Therapy.
It makes their emotions.
But there's your problem.
Yeah,
I mean, it's kind of hard. Like, for example, I mean, you can't just tell a bully that they're doing something wrong, right? Because they're just, no, I don't have it. They're going to be ignorant about that. So, maybe make them slowly be aware of like how they're affecting others.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all the questions I've asked. So to conclude this, so our projection is where one person's pass their own problems to someone, even though they're not the one who doesn't like. Yeah. And also projection is affects more on your mental health, like you're feeling jealous to someone, or like
Insecure about yourself.
yes, and yeah, that's what other people say where projection is a bad thing. Kaya the question that I asked, the last question, that people who has projections needs therapy. The ones who always does projection or who can't stop projecting their problems to another person.
Especially for projection that has anger, like some people would even hit people with it, so yeah.
Yeah. So that's it for today. So our guest, thank you so much for coming here. I am Marian Obaldoria,
And Sister Tana.
and this is the Bedrooms Deck House live podcast. Okay, bye. Bye.